Hello, Clarissa here from Health and Wellness. Spring is here and we love to be out and about. However, we all know that hay fever is round the corner, and I still have friends and people dealing with coughs and colds and sore throats. So today I want to share information about eucalyptus essential oil. And while eucalyptus is very well known for the benefits for the respiratory system and the expectorant, because it's a powerful expectorant, it's also great to tackle hay fever and a natural repellent for spring and summer walks. So it's a oil that you can use all year round, really. And it's also very anti-inflammatory. It has healing and cleansing properties for the skin, for oily skin in particular, but it can be used across all types of skin. And for wounds, it's very moisturizing and it's decongestant for the skin. So yeah, many uses. And in recent lab studies, eucalyptus has the potential to increase the production of ceramides within the epidermis, and so to maintain the skin moisture, and we avoid losing water. So we avoid that crepey looking skin because we keep the moisture inside. And if you blend it with lavender, geranium and cypress, it supports the signs of aging, boosts your natural radiance, and it's a very hormonal and balanced blend. Also to tackle fatigue, to disperse negative feelings, and it gives us room to breathe. So all in all, a fantastic mini first aid kit that we can use all year round. So if you want to learn more, please get in touch. Thanks.